Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you're a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the weekly and in the daily, because today the weekly candle is finished. So we're going to analyze even the weekly. And if you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. As you see here, that the weekly candle here is finished. And what it gives us here, it gives us here like a pin bar here. Even if we zoom it here, as you see it, is a doji here. So all that week, we haven't moved that much. And that doji, it came to us in somewhere very criteria level. Look at it. Because that it's not one line like that. Because some people, they just saying here like that a line. But me, I don't like to make it a line. I like to make it like a square like that, as you see it, that the level where we are now, here, or the zone, name it whatever you want. As you see it, how we started here, also we are here in the weekly, and now also we are stuck here, and over here, that way me has said, maybe it's going to happen a small correction or something, but here in the weekly, everything is very clear. Also we're changing from a downtrend from 2021 to an uptrend now. As you see it, picture very clear here in the weekly. Look at it. We've been here in a downtrend. And now here officially also we're changing from a downtrend to an uptrend, because the downtrend we used to have is the one like that. Look at it. Very clear downtrend here. It's getting broke here. The market went up, he fell down, he tested here by that nice pin bar. It came that very nice engulfing candle to break for us that level here of 25k. Now the level when it needs to be broken, the one where we are now stuck here, as you see it. Because if you look in the tails of those candles here and those ones, that will how also we make it. You can make it like that if you want. The way how to make that level, it's very simple. Let me explain it to you. You came here, you change in from candles to lines like that, and you came to the lower of those closes here, and you're doing a line like that, as you see it, very simple like that. Then you go to the candles, and it's going to be the tails of those candles here exactly. That's how it's going to draw that square if you don't know how to draw those things. By the way, in our technical analysis course, we explain all those things. So till now here in the weekly, pause. Now we are in an uptrend. Maybe it's going to happen small corrections or something, but for long-term investors, just they say you don't know where is the Bitcoin is going to be by the end of this 2023 where we are. So just they say you are very close. Try to buy as much you can of Bitcoin, and anytime it happen a correction, just buy. That's the only thing. And like those big whales, what they saying is going to happen a correction. I say even that, then after that it's going to go up because they follow in the history. But sometimes the history doesn't repent itself. So you for the weekly here, just they say and forget about everything. And I show you even on the on-chain, a lot of on-chain indicators. They saying also we been in the bottom when we touch in here that 15k here down. By the way, people, they been with me. Also, we buy from here from 15k. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the coming news for all the week. So let's go in there. Here we are, as you see it, that the coming week. In Monday, we don't got nothing here, just about Germany and UK. Then in Tuesday, what we got that one, that CBI consumer confidence. So that's the only thing in Tuesday. Then in Wednesday, what we got? In Wednesday, we got a busy day, as you see it here. We got pending home sales and crude oil inventory for USA. Thursday, what we got, as you see it, we got GDP of USA. That one is very important. And as you see, the forecast is going to fall down the GDP of USA. So you need to be careful about that one, exactly for the people they investing in the US stocks. And here we got the initial jobless claim. That one I think we've been talking about it a lot of times. Then on Friday, what we got that core PCI or the inflation the Fed follow. And as you see, it is going to fall down. So I think picture is too clear here. Plus what we got here, we got our friend here. That table of us we follow every time here. As you see it, all US stocks, they closing green or they closing the week green. As you see them in front of you. And even here, the VIX, it show it fall down a little bit. But that PCI and GDP of USA, maybe they are going to change it. Because tell me, I'm still thinking For US economic, it's not yet. It's still a little bit early. And here US dollar, as you see it, what it done. Even though it fell down a little bit. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now, let's go into the daily to see what the Bitcoin doing today in daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. We still only for long-term investing. Here in the daily, in the last videos, we said here, we got an inside bar based on that green candle here. Until now, that green candle or that inside bar, it hasn't been broken up for the market to go more up. And it doesn't break it down for the market to reverse. So till now, it's still early. And may I tell it to you before, I told you if there is a correction, it's going to happen just to here, to the 25k level here. And it's going to be a nice opportunity for you to buy from here. Then after that, the market will go up. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And even the volume now, if you're looking at it, is going to be very, very low. There is no big volume in that level where we are. That might be big investors now or investors in general. Till now, they don't making a decision yet. Look at the volume here. It's falling down. And even the market is showing to us we are flat here. So investors, they're still waiting if we are going to break above and we're going to the 34k or we're going to break down. So till now, it's still very, very early for us. And here in the daily, he tried to give us here the market like a flag here. But it's not that clear. Let's make it like that. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. Also in the last video we said here, we got here a mega fall like that. That's what else we said. We said the market is need to come to break above here for us to know the market is going to that 34k. But the market now, it give us something new here. Look at it. We got here a very clear diamond here. Look at it. Very clear diamond here. As you see it. And that one, I explained it to you before. If the market breaking above here, that means it's going to go up. Or the market is going to reverse. Because diamond is a price action pattern for reverse. So till now, there is no clear picture yet. Or you can even draw in here a symmetric triangle like that. Look at it. Very clear symmetric triangle. And the next one is it here in that level here. That way I'm following that diamond now where it's going to get broke. If we are breaking above here, that means also we are going to that 34k without doubt. And if we're breaking down here, it's going to reverse. So to know exactly the take profit for that one, you just came here to that weighted place, and the place where it's going to be broken, you make it like that here down or in the top. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they're saying here. For pictures to get more clear to you, so let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, here. Remember also we used to say here, we have here a very clear divergence like that. And the trend line here of the divergence, as you see it, it hasn't been broken up here for us to know it's going to go up. And if it's getting broke here, it's need to break for us even that symmetric triangle I should just show you in the 4 hours. And it's going to continue it upward. And here for downtrend, till now it wouldn't break here. So here it's still very, very early for us. And here I show you even that one. I told you who controlling now. Look at it. Very clear here. Bull market. The only thing here, look at the momentum here. It started getting lower, lower and lower. And even in the chart, the same thing. So you need to wait until the break happening here. Because maybe from here, we're going to touch here. Then we're going to go more higher because here, you have now a hidden divergence. If you see it in the chart, let me show it to you. Look here. If you come here to that zone here down, you got a line very flat, and here you got an up one, so you got here a hidden divergence. But that one, to enter it, it's need the market to come to break above here, that last high which is here. So till now it's not yet. And also we draw in here a symmetric triangle. That one is better. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. That one here, same thing. As you see it, also we are here at the overbought area for some time now. But price action till now it hasn't complete for us or telling us we need to enter. Now we got here that diamond that just show you here like that. Very clear diamond here. And the diamond, the bad things about it is a reverse pattern. So if it's breaking down, that means the market is going to fall down. So till now it's not yet. We still waiting till the break happen down. Also we're going to enter short. If it's breaking above, also we are going to enter long. So here in the 4 hours we need to wait more till the right moment came. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. In the last videos, people they've been with us, they remember that we used to have here in that level here a triangle like that. That triangle of us is getting broke down here. We enter short and I told you to put stop loss here in the top here. Market it doesn't go down that much. Then me I told you in the last videos. In the last video you can find all those things. I told you here, look at it. We got here a very clear symmetric triangle like that. I told you if it's breaking above here, close the short, you enter from here, from that level here exactly. You can find all that analysis in the last video. Just go back and watch it. Watch the 30 minutes. You're going to find everything still there. I told you if it's breaking here, don't wait till it came to hitting for you to stop loss here. If it's breaking here, enter long. And that's what happened. Well, have you closed the long here? Would have not lose a lot. And you enter a long. Look where you are here. Now you are in nice profit at this moment now. You are in a very, very, very nice profit now. Now at that level where we are, look at it, the downtrend, it's still the same here. Nothing was changed. So that for you to enter short, it's need at least to come to break down here. Or the market to give you here, look at it, here to give you a double top like that. If it's breaking the neckline down here, you can enter short. For the long, it's the same thing. Nothing was changed. You came here to the top of those ones and you waiting the break to happen here. Then the market is going to continue it upward. So look at it now, what you got here in 30 minutes. You got here a very clear symmetric triangle here. So if that one break above here, it's going to go more higher. If that one came down and breaking down here, it's going to fall down. Everything is too clear. You see me how I draw that symmetric triangle? It's our indicator what it's saying here. Our indicator is telling us we are here at the overbought area. So technically now you need to looking for short. But also we don't care about that indicator here. That one is just a filter. We use it. The most important is the price action. The price action I just show you. You got here a very clear symmetric triangle like that. Look at it. Very clear. So you need to wait in the break where it's going to happen. If it's breaking down, enter short. If it's breaking above here, enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.